Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's session, let's see simple program to convert the decimal number to binary number using C programming language. First up I will tell binary number system is a number system for which every real number can be written in terms of the two digits 0 and 1 as the sum of power of, and decimal number system is a number system for which every real number can be written in terms of the 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as the sum of power of 10. Now let's start the program. Now see here, n is equal to 10. I will take number and convert to binary 1010. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 0, then 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, and 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, and result is 10. First upon I will include header file #include standard input output dot h. Then I will include main function into main. Including main function, I will declare variable a of array size is 10, a of 10, then I comma j comma n, then I will take number n is equal to 10, then I value is initial 0, then while condition number is greater than 0, then a of I is equal to n modulus 2, then n is equal to n divided by 2, then I plus plus, then close while loop, then I will print message printf binary is then for loop for j is equal to I minus 1, then j is greater than equal to 0, and j minus minus, then printf %d print integer number comma a of j a of j then return value is 0, then close main function. Now I will explain this program. Now see here, I will take n number is equal to 10, then I is equal to 0 value initialize, and while condition n is greater than 0, number is 10 greater than 0, condition is true. Then go to next condition, b of I is equal to n modulus 2. b of I value is initial 0 is equal to n modulus 2, n value is 10 modulus 2, remainder is 0. Then go to next condition, n is equal to n divided by 2. n value is 10 divided by 2, result is 5, store n variable. Then go to I plus plus, increment I value is 1. Then go to again while loop, n value is 5 greater than 0, condition is true. Then go to next condition, b of I value is 1 is equal to n modulus 2, n value is 5 modulus 2, remainder is 1. Then go to next condition, n is equal to n divided by 2, n value is 5 divided by 2, result is 2, store to the n variable. Then go to increment I value is 1, I value is 2. Then go to again while condition, n is greater than 0, n value is 2 greater than 0, condition is true. Then go to next condition, b of I value is 2 is equal to n modulus 2, n value is 2 modulus 2, remainder is 0. Then go to next condition, n is equal to n divided by 2, n value is 2 divided by 2, result is 1. Then increment I value 1, I value is 3. Then go to again while condition, n is greater than 0, n value is 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Then go to next condition, b of I value is 3 is equal to n modulus 2, n value is 1 modulus 2, result is remainder is 1. Then go to next condition, n is equal to n divided by 2, n value is 1 divided by 2, result is 0, store to the n variable. Then increment I by 1, I value is 4. Then go to again while condition, 0 is greater than 0, condition is false, while loop ends. Then go to for loop, j is equal to I minus 1, I value is 4 minus 1, j value is 3. 3 is greater than equal to 0, condition is true. Then b of I value is 3 is equal to 1. Then j is equal to I minus 1, I value is 3 minus 1, j value is 2. 2 is greater than equal to 0, condition is true. And b of I value is 2 is equal to 0. Then j is equal to I minus 1, I value is 2 minus 1, j value is 1. 1 is, check the condition, 1 is greater than equal to 0, condition is true. Then b of I value is 1 equal to 1. Then j, check the condition, j is equal to I minus 1, I value is 1 minus 1, j value is 0. 0 is greater than equal to 0, condition is true. b of I value is 0 is equal to 0. Then check the condition j equal to I minus 1. I value is minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. Condition is false. So now stop here, and result is 1010. Binary value is 1010. Decimal number 10. Now we will run this program. So see here, 10 binary number is 1010. Suppose I will take another number 5. Now we will run this program. Binary is 101. So this is about program. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.